How to delete Instagram account? Follow this step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile page by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then from the menu, select Account Center at the top. Once you are inside, find and tap on the personal details under the account settings section. On the next page, choose account ownership and control. After that, tap on deactivation or deletion. Now select the account you wish to delete. Here you will be given two options. Just choose delete account. Then tap on continue to proceed. Then Instagram will ask you to choose a reason for deleting your account. Pick one of the reasons and hit continue. After that, you will be asked to re-enter your password for confirmation. After entering your password, click on the continue button. Once your password is entered, Instagram will show a confirmation screen. It might also mention a period during which you can cancel the deletion if you change your mind. Finally, if you are completely sure, hit on delete account. And that's it. This is how to delete Instagram account.